How to fix Google Drive Wi-Fi problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive Wi-Fi problem on Android phone. First open settings and then type here apps and click apps, or you can just scroll down here and here will find apps and then click on it again. And now just scroll down here until you find the drive, Google Drive, and click on it, and then click storage, clear cache, and go to data usage and check background data. Maybe you'll find it like that and click allow, and mobile data also maybe you'll find it like that and allow it, and then go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, and then just go back and restart your phone and try again. Restart your phone, click restart and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.